Tip 1. Pour eggs over bacon. First, you need to place the pan on the stove and add a piece of butter. When melted, butter releases a subtle, creamy aroma that is very appealing. Next, I place the 3 slices of bacon into the pan one by one. When heated, the fat in the meat gradually renders out, creating a distinctive aroma and enhancing the flavor of the dish with almost no additional oil needed. Immediately afterwards, I cracked 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt and black pepper. Then gently stir until the mixture is well combined. The underside of the bacon has now turned golden brown. I carefully fry each piece of meat so that it is evenly golden brown on both sides. At this point, the bacon begins to firm up, slightly charred around the edges, and emits a very appealing aroma. I poured the egg mixture into the pan, making sure the egg layer evenly coated the bacon underneath. When heated, the egg begins to solidify gently, holding the entire piece of meat together to form a beautiful base. Once the egg layer underneath had set and turned slightly golden, I carefully flipped it over. Meanwhile, I prepared the filling, which consisted of diced tomatoes. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After slicing, put the tomatoes in a bowl. Next, chop the green onions finely. Next, finely chopped smoked sausage. Smoked sausages are sausages that are cooked or preserved by smoking them in wood smoke, which creates a distinctive aroma and increases their shelf life. Typical flavors: smoky aroma, more flavorful than regular sausages, slightly chewy and richer when heated. After chopping them finely, add them together with the tomatoes and green onions. Then I added about 50 grams of shredded cheese. Then mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Then gently pour the mixture on top. Use a spoon to spread the mixture evenly. Then, I started rolling the egg slowly so that the filling was completely enclosed inside. At this point, the cheese inside begins to melt, blending with the egg, sausage, and bacon to create a soft, creamy, and incredibly flavorful filling. Now add a little cheese on top and wait for the cheese to melt. While you wait for the cheese to melt, I'll share another tip with you. Tip 2. Fried eggs with onions. First, prepare a bowl, then crack tray eggs into it. Then stir well. Add about 70 grams of flour and stir until the mixture thickens slightly. The flour helps bind all the ingredients together when frying and also gives the dish a firm texture. Then place the pan on the stove and add cooking oil. I cut an onion in half and then sliced it thinly. Onions are rich in antioxidants and have a very distinctive aroma. When cooked, onions develop a natural sweetness, enhancing the flavor of dishes without needing excessive seasoning. Then add the onions and stir-fry. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When the onions started to soften and become fragrant, I proceeded to grate a potato into thin slices. Then add the grated potatoes and sauté them together with the onions. Next, I sliced some more smoked sausage into small pieces. After slicing the smoked sausages, add them to the pan and stir-fry. When heated, the sausages release their characteristic aroma and mild salty flavor, enhancing the overall taste of the dish. Next, I poured all the ingredients I was sautéing in the pan into the egg mixture. I then grated another 100 grams of cheese into it. Then add chopped scallions to enhance the fresh aroma. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, a little pepper. Finally, chili powder. Mix well so that all the spices are combined. Then you place the pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once everything was well combined, I put it back in the oil and fried it until golden brown on both sides. Use a spoon to spread the mixture evenly. Then cover with a lid and fry for about 5 minutes. At this point, the bacon-wrapped egg roll in tip 1 was cooked to a golden brown. I transferred the dish to a plate. A beautiful golden egg roll, soft, smooth, and rich in flavor, combining bacon, sausage, and melted cheese, creating a dish that was both flavorful and incredibly appealing when sliced and enjoyed. Today we've explored 2 incredibly interesting egg dishes using familiar ingredients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support motivates me to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.